sound are development. What we see, they got to be observed. In an paragraph, plants, animals, learning. As per NEP 2020, all CBSE schools follow the Shishwandika system. Normally, schools are NEP is one of the 2020, but from long years, we follow the examination pattern from LKG to second standard. Particularly in LKG and UKG, there is no group system, activity based learning, experiential learning. What is class